I want to appeal to the national government. Mimi kama mwenyekiti wa kamati ya fedha katika Council of Governors, I want to appeal to the National Treasury. Please, can you release the monies owed to the counties? According to the PFM Act, we are supposed to be receiving all the disbursements by 15th of every month. That is a matter that is already in the PFM Act. Hakuna haja kila wakati tunachelewa kulipa wafanyakazi, tunachelewa kulipa madaktari wetu, tunachelewa kununua madawa kwa ECD because of the National Treasury.
It is only possible if the Treasury will quit their cat and mouse games with us. We are Kenyans, we pay taxes, and we are not beggars. We cannot beg and bootlick the Treasury to get what belongs to us.
I want to call upon the National Treasury to release close to 52 billion Kenya shillings, which is owed to our 47 counties, so that we can facilitate mambo ya maendeleo hapa ugatuzini, kwa sababu jambo ambalo tumefanya leo, unless we get money from the National Treasury being released on time, we cannot deliver on these projects. That is my message to the National Treasury, na mimi najua the CS ambaye anashughulika na mambo hayo, Professor Kigina Ndungu, amesikia.
Na ripoti yako